we guide you through how to redeem Roblox codes on both mobile or PC. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure you have a valid Roblox code ready, then open your browser or PC or mobile and go to the official Roblox redeem page at roblox.com/redeem. Log into your Roblox account if you are not already signed in, and once inside, you'll see a box labeled Enter your code, so carefully type or paste your code there without any extra spaces or errors. After that, click our Tap Redeem button and wait for the confirmation messages to appear. If the code is valid, your reward will instantly be added to your account and you can check it in your inventory or avatar shop depending on what the code gives. On mobile, the process exactly is the same. Browsing your phone and just make sure you are logged in before redeeming. If the code doesn't work, double check for typos or expiration.